The nameless I cannot say, shadows dancing fade away, words dissolve before they form. In the silence I am born. Something calls but has no name. Nothing's different, all the same. Am I dreaming? Am I real? What is this I start to feel? There's a way beyond the way. There's a name beyond the name. In the darkness, light appears. In the void, there's mystery. Mystery, mystery. What are you showing me? Mystery, mystery. Set my spirit free. Before the world learned to speak, before the heart learned to seek, there was something pure and whole, the nameless source of every soul. When the naming first began, mother of the cosmic plan, 10,000 things came into view, from the one that became two. There's a way beyond the way. There's a name beyond the name. In the darkness I can see. In the void lives mystery. Mystery, mystery. Now I'm listening. Mystery, mystery. To the song you sing.
Two states dancing in my soul. One shows purpose, one shows how. Step back into the source of all. Step forward into the creative call. Now I see it, now I know how the mystery helps me grow. Helps me grow. When I'm lost, I ask what's true. When I'm stuck, I ask what's new. Every moment holds a key to the deeper mystery. Source and creative dance as one, like the moon and like the sun. In their rhythm I can find peace of body, peace of mind.
I am the way beyond the way. I am the name beyond the name. In the darkness I am light. In the void, infinite sight. Mystery, mystery, living through me. Mystery, mystery, I am finally free.
Helps me grow. Breathing with the cosmic flow, being what I need to know. Purpose moving through my veins. Universe and I are sane. Nameless, around you, endless.
Dancing through
Wonder within the gameless game.
mystery.
I am the mystery, I am the mystery, I am my fate.